Today we're playing a little game called Frog or Finish. As you can see, I have quite a few projects going on and this is not even all of them. So I'm going to go through some of my whips that I have ongoing and just determine which ones I actually plan to and think I will finish, and which ones I'm probably better off frogging. I'm Jessie of Crochet by Jessie, and let's get into today's video. You guys, I have so many current whips that it's actually ridiculous. I don't think I realised quite how many I had until you start to kind of like round them up all together and you just see the pile growing and growing. And I know that I haven't even got everything out, so I'm already kind of horrified with myself. There are a few projects that are right in the depths of my wardrobe and I did not have the mental strength to try and find them today. I feel like I would have just started opening a can of worms and I was just not in that mood given how many other projects that I'm going to be showing you guys already. But for reference, I have two 6-day star blankets. I will put the photos here. I am definitely going to finish both of them. When is a big question, but I have made so much progress for both blankets that it genuinely would be a waste to frog them at this point. So it's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. So those are going to be finished. And hopefully I'll make this into like a little mini series and hopefully you'll see them down the line being finished actually in a video. So we shall see. But for today's video, I think I've got 6 projects that I'm just going to go through with you guys. I'm probably not going to be able to get anything done specifically in today's video. However, I'm going to be doing updates across this little series just to give you guys a little check-in. Hopefully in part 2, some of these projects will be done and I can just start a new pile of whips that I need to finish because I've always got something on the go. The first whip that I want to show you guys is this current work in progress. It's going to be a jumper. I am so obsessed with these colours. And I can already tell you guys that this is a finished project because this is actually for a craft swap that I'm doing. I have not done a craft swap before and I am so excited to do it, and this is just such a fun jumper. I've already started to work up the front and back panel, so this is going to be the arm section on either side. So I've done loads of this and it works up fairly quickly. I have been working on this fairly consistently. The only reason it's not done is because the other project that I'm actively very much working on, that one is really complex and takes loads of time, so I've not been getting as much time onto this just at the moment. And I just want to give you guys like a little close-up of the colours. So the amazing creator that I'm doing the craft swap with basically sent me a bunch of inspo ideas, and this was like the vague colour palette from them. But then I also just kind of added a few different ones that I thought would be really nice and just add an extra pop of colour and make it unique as well. So I'm really excited to get this done. I'm going to try and get this done ASAP. This next whip is a very feeble one. I'm aware of it. And here it is. There's not a lot to it. I'm very aware. So this one was going to be a cardigan, and then I wasn't happy with the size because I just wasn't thinking about my overall stitch count. And then as I was working it up, I was like, this is way too small. Why did I make it this big? So I am definitely going to be frogging this because I'm not going to be returning to this project. However, I think I've been holding back frogging it because mosaic crochet takes ages to frog, and yeah, there's quite a lot of rows already despite it being quite a small piece. So this is definitely a frog project, but this is going to take a while and it's not going to be fun. However, I also know realistically I'm not going to be making anything with this. I also have another little mini project bag with a bunch of the yarn that I was using for another whip. And again, I kind of went through another process of trying to do another cardigan design because that's been on my bucket list to just figure out a mosaic crochet cardi design. And hopefully you guys will get what I mean in a second. Okay, so this time I made it long enough, but the problem is I'm kind of not in love with these colours together. I had a certain idea in my head that I pictured, and you know when you're working something up and you're just feeling like it's really not matching the vision that you had for it? Well, unfortunately that is the case here. I really wanted a neutrals project, but honestly, I feel like I'm probably going to swap and maybe do a top in more neutral colours. I feel like I want the cardigan to be a lot more vibrant, and I think that thought was just like solidified when I started to work this up and just was not feeling it. I didn't even finish one of the rows. I just gave up right after starting one. So this is another frog. I'm annoyed because this is going to take even longer because I made the rows longer. However, again, I'm not going to be doing anything with this, and I can choose a better project more suited for the yarn that I'm actually going to love, instead of keeping this kind of mediocre, not really obsessed with whip and not doing anything with it. This next project is a really fun one. This is one that I have been spending quite a lot of time working on alongside the craft swap jumper. And ironically, it's another jumper. I feel like I'm really getting into some larger projects at the moment. And once the next few are done, I'm definitely going to go back to some smaller projects, because I'm someone who likes the satisfaction of finishing a project. I feel really good once it's done. And because a lot of my projects are really big at the moment, they're taking longer to finish. I'm not getting that satisfaction like I normally do. So I need some quicker projects after this just to keep me happy and motivated, to be honest. So there is a lot going on with this, and I am still I've done the vast majority of this, but I'm definitely still a while away. It's going to take time, and that's because the construction of this is so intricate. But this is the body of the jumper. What I've done is I worked in the round for the bottom part here. I then split it into a front and back panel so I could create the armholes, which are these sections. And then I've already got a head hole. I've got the top of the jumper closed except for the head hole. So the actual body of it is completely done. I might trying to figure out what I want to do with the kind of collar detailing, but I'm just going to figure that out right at the end, because that's more of a minor addition compared to everything else. But this is the overall shape. I love the colours, I'm really obsessed with how it's looking, and we're getting towards autumn time, so I'm so excited to wear it. But yeah, this part of it is done. And then what I'm currently doing, which is the part of the project that I'm focusing on, is I'm just working up both of the sleeves. I'm making the sleeves absolutely identical. As you can see, this one's got an extra round, but it's going to be copying it just so it does completely match, because I really wanted the order of it and it's very satisfying, and I didn't want to change things up, to be honest. But yeah, these sleeves are going to take a while, so I am still a little while away from getting this done. However, so much time and love and energy has gone into this jumper, so there is no way that I'm going to be frogging it. This is definitely a finished project. It's honestly, this and the craft swap is on the top of my list. I'm very ready to get them done, and I've been putting loads of time and energy into both of them, so it's going to be so rewarding once it's all finished. So this next whip of mine, I feel really bad because I feel like this is one of my older ones that I really haven't given a lot of love in a while. I do feel like I've kind of gone on a bit of a wearables kind of journey in the last 6 months or so, and because of that, some of my other projects, such as my blankets, have kind of been left a little bit to gather dust, and I do feel bad for that. But this is the project that I am talking about. So this is a forget-me-not blanket. I started to work up the actual design for it as well, and so wanted to actually get a version of it done. And I have not touched this in ages, and I feel so bad because even looking at it now, it's such a pretty design. I really do love it. This one is definitely one I'm going to finish, but then I'm also very aware that it's kind of very low down on my priority list. It is beautiful and I will get it done eventually, and there's no way that I'm going to frog it because I do absolutely adore this pattern. But I just have so many other ideas in my head that are a priority, as well as the current projects I'm working on that I'm prioritizing. So this is really cute. I want to make it as like a mini blanket, as you can tell, but I've not done loads. So there's a lot more work left to do for this project, but definitely going to finish this one. So as you guys can see, I really do have a lot that I need to get through, and there's quite a big list and they're quite big projects. However, I feel good now that I've kind of determined a little bit more, for the most part, what projects I do want to frog that I'm not going to continue, and the ones that I love that I do intend on finishing. Do you guys have any projects that you've just kind of left for ages and you're not able to really determine what you want to do? Has this given you some clarity if you want to frog or finish? Or do you want advice of others? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you want to see more crochet related content, or me hopefully finishing some of these projects in the very near future, then do hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. With all of that being said, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!